Traditional style is infused with a contemporary floor plan in this fantastic Fisherville Farms home. Located at the end of a quiet court just outside of Auburn, this property has an excellent location with easy access to Dow, Midland or Bay City. The home features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2 full, 1 half. Entering the home, you are greeted in a formal entry with a ceramic tile floor. The main floor has an excellent flow with a large kitchen that is open to the living room. There is a separate dining room and office/den also adjacent to the main living areas. The basement is ready for finish with an egress window and pre-plumbing for another bathroom. Outside there is a large deck and nicely manicured landscape. The walking path behind the home connects the neighborhoods. This home has been well maintained, is spotless and is ready for you. You'll love living at Fisherville Farms. Take a look today.